So I'm at Discount Tire, getting ready to replace the Ridge Grappler tires. It's time to get these bad boys replaced. They're getting ball around the corners. So I'm pretty happy with these tires. The back one still got a little bit of tread left on them, but I'm just gonna replace all 4 of them. So I got these tires on the truck back in 2019, about 6 months after I got this truck. I don't know how many miles I had on it, but I'm gonna guess it was somewhere about 6,000 miles, give or take. Because I got it in March of 2019. I got these wheels put on in October of 2019. And right now I got almost 63,000 miles on this truck. And I didn't even rotate these tires like I should have. I probably rotated them maybe 3 times while I had them. But that's why the front one's a little bit more worn down than the back, because I didn't keep up with the tire rotation. But it's still time to replace them. I mean, even the back ones, the tread almost gone on them. So definitely happy with these tires. So if I'm going with the Michelin Defender next, only because they're a little bit cheaper. I'm not gonna pay $2,500 today for a new set of tires, and I'm thinking about trading this truck in probably next year sometime. So but yeah, satisfied with it, and I would definitely recommend that tire if anybody thinking about it. So now they're getting ready to pull it in and swap out my tires for me. All right, so now I got the Michelin Defender, same size, 305, 45, 22 size tire. And I actually like the way this looked. I was kind of concerned because, you know, with that Nitto Ridge Grappler, it gave it kind of a rugged look. But this looks good too. It's got a clean, smooth look, and it also doesn't stick out as wide. When I look at it down the side, that Ridge Grappler stuck out just a little bit further. So this, I like that. I like it a lot. And it's got a smooth ride. My truck has just under 62,500 miles. So we'll see how long these last. When I got those Ridge Grapplers, I had just got this truck. I maybe had it for about 5 or 6 months before I had those put on. So I'm gonna guess, I don't know the exact mileage, but I'm gonna guess that it was somewhere between 5,000 and 10,000 miles. So I got a lot of mileage out of those tires, and they still had some tread left on them. My front tires was just getting bald on the corners, which I didn't keep up with keeping them rotated like I should have, but these I will keep up with. And but yeah, I like the way that looked. So I have the 4-play 22 by 10 wheels on here. No, 11. I think they're 22 by 11. See the 22 by 10 or 22 by 11. But yeah, it's got a clean look. I like it. I like it a lot. So anyway, hope y'all having a good day, and I'll talk to you later.